1K. Pacing 5:30. Maintain lang. Whew. May pinaghahandaan kasi ako, guys. Meron akong run this August and September. So kailangan makondisyon ulit. Whew. So far we're doing good. Let's go. 2K at 5:54. Sakto lang. Medyo bumagal. 3K at 5:51. Let's go. Chill pacing lang. Retain lang natin at 5:50. 4K at 5:59. Medyo bumagal. Pero okay lang. Tumataas kasi yung heart rate ko. 5K at 6:01. I think hanggang 5K lang muna ako today. Hindi ko kaya mag-10. Medyo naninibago ulit. No, I think I can push it. I don't know. Let's see. 6K. Push natin, guys. Let's push to 10K. Let's go. 7K. 3 more. 3 more. Let's go. 8K. Nasa beach na ako, guys. Let's go. 9K. 10K, guys. I made it. Kahit medyo mahirap. I'm done for the day. See you tomorrow. Bye.